Karong adlaw, December 30, gisaulog nato ang ika-118th anniversary sa martyrdom ni Philippine National Hero Jose Rizal. Ganinang buntag, gipangunahan ni President Benigno Aquino III ang maong selebrasyon sa Rizal Monument sa Rizal Park. Mukabat sa 5,000 ka mga tawo ang mitambong, lakip na niini ang mga descendants sa Rizal clan.
Pinano, baba. Ha. Anda dalang. Kalis. Baba. Ha. Pinano, rap kaliwa, rap. Pasalong. Kad.
Although wala siyang mga descendants, pero talagang mahal na mahal niya yung pamilya niya, from the parents to the siblings. So he has been very close. Talagang napakalapit niya sa mga pamangkin niya. Nung nasa Spanya siya, ang regalo niya sa mga pamangkin niya, ita-translate niya yung fables, yung mga na nakasulat sa Ingles o sa German and all other. And he will translate it in Tagalog and send it here. And that's his gift for his nephews and nieces. And they loved him. Even if they never saw him as they were growing up, they loved him dearly. Kaya pinag-aawayan siya. Kahit hindi nila siya nakasama physically, pero mahal na mahal siya ng kanyang mga pamangkin. And that's why they are our descendants. I mean, these are our grandfathers, our grandmothers, who told us stories about him. I think the fact that he was given to our country is such a gift, but we still need to know more about him to be able to really experience that gift. What is his message? He still has a message for us. What's happening now in our country is an unfinished business because he wants us to finish it.